walk away, 'cause I'm a single. Please, please, please don't prove I'm right. I've literally become obsessed with Sabrina Carpenter, and I saw her perfume on TikTok shop for just £24. Girls, I had to get it. Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth perfume. The bottle is so cute. I'm excited to put this in my perfume collection. It is sweet. It is vanilla-y. It is so girly. It has got stuff like marshmallow, chocolate, vanilla sugar, coconut milk, whipped cream in there. Super sweet fragrance. This is gonna be my new go-to scent throughout the whole of 2024. I'm absolutely obsessed. I literally smell like a delicious bakery. This is the 30ml, and I genuinely need to buy the bigger one ASAP. Girls, you need to grab this and try it. It's honestly absolutely stunning. If you are looking for a sweet summer scent, this is for you.